What's up, gamers? That was such a weird intro. What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael Fide, and welcome back to another video. I'm currently moving on to level 6 right now. I decided to do level 5 by myself. That is my mistake. And yeah. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. All the cool kids are doing it, so you should too. Hope your day has been going on good. These videos will now be getting posted later than I did last time. So that's all. So if you don't know, we're doing 6. Well, we're supposed to do 5 through 8 in one of my videos. Not this one, but a different video. We're supposed to do that, but then I got interrupted by something. So now we're just doing 6 through 8. Wait, let's restart. Let's not already burn the food microfied. Like no. That's just illegal. It is not correct. I find that very disrespectful to the hot dogs. It's not very nice. But yeah, hope your days have been going good. Hope you had a good day at work, or if y'all are grown-ups at school. Not grown-ups. Wait, what? Did I say work for kid? Let me rephrase real quick. I hope you had a good day at school if you were a kid. I hope you have a good day at work if you are an adult. I don't know why it's so difficult to me to speak. See, right? Dang it. I don't know how we deal with this. Oh dang, we have to throw it in the trash now. Alright, okay. So yeah. You don't know how to talk all the time. I don't know. But yeah. New videos will be posted. You can expect them to be uploaded by around 5 or 6. Around that time. But yeah. So we're just doing 6 through 8 on this. Level 6 through 8. So yeah. I decided to do another video of this because I saw how much support, not support. I saw the support that was given off of last video. I really appreciate all the support that y'all gave on that video. But yeah. I'm trying to get this back into a better form. Trying to have our channel be a nice, chill place, have it easy going for y'all to just relax and stuff after school or work or whatever y'all do. Yeah, it's just a calming way to entertain y'all guys. That's all. Yeah, I lowered the music down. I don't know if y'all can even hear that anymore, but I can't right now. I mean, my volume's all the way up, but it might be because I'm screen recording. So, that might be why I can't hear it. Probably is. I wouldn't even be that surprised. But yeah. So, yeah, I know. I'm pretty sure y'all couldn't even hear me that well in last video because the music is very loud. So, y'all couldn't really hear me. I thought y'all would be able to hear me because while I'm recording in my house, it sounds like I'm speaking loud, but in reality it comes out very low when I actually speak to y'all. But yeah, this is just like a little tiny short video and all that. But yeah. So, we unlock ketchup now. I wanna upgrade these. I guess I have to upgrade my ketchup. You know what? Just for y'all, I'll do another round. I'll do another round for it. But yeah. Alright, it's starting to get crowded now. Yeah, I don't know. Most of these videos are very long. I just edit them out so then, you know, y'all don't hear just complete silence. So yeah. It may seem like I'm not talking, which I'm not talking that much. I don't know what else to really say. No, that's why I'm not mostly talking. Yeah, but just know that I'm yeah, I'm literally so bored. I don't know what to say. R.I.P. to these sausages. Dang, why are they taking so much money? Like, dang, stop ordering sodas. That's too much. Soda machine broke. We turned into McDonald's. Yeah, I said it. We turned into McDonald's now. Soda machine broke. Ice cream machine broke. Chicken nugget machine broke. Fry machine broke. Everything broke. I'm sorry. So, we have to shut this down. Alright. Well, I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. And, like I said at the beginning, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Share with your friends and all that. Maybe you might not like me that much, but maybe your friends might like me. So yeah, I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Until next time, be safe. Love y'all.